Hey everyone, Aja here from Panda Monium. We have so much to get done today. I have to register the trailer, get plates for it, go get the braking system for the trailer, then a few more things, the bar, tow bar.
Yep.
And then also paint for the inside of the trailer, which we're gonna get from Home Depot. So, yay, fun, fun. Okay, the trailer is registered and everything is done. It was $622. Ouch, to register it because I had to pay the taxes here. We got it in Nevada, they just did out of state, so when I got here...
Show them the best part though, show them the plate.
Oh yeah, so I did get the plate and it is a permanent plate. So I don't ever have to register it again. It's permanent for good, that's for life. So $622, that's not bad. I know back in South Carolina, I think you had to register it every couple of years. So, awesome. Alright, Ed is backing the trailer in. And we are at Hollet because we're going to get some accessories. Good job! Hopefully someday I'll learn how to back up a trailer like that. Okay, so this is all that I just got right now. Awesome. So it just adds up and adds up and adds up. More money, Lord.
More money, more money,
so,
more money.
Thankfully, everything's done but the brake controller. That's the only thing left is we have to get the brake controller. Yep. So we have to go to a different shop for that. And
maybe a new cooler flag.
Yes. Oh, were we supposed to get that here?
No, we're gonna go to the Polaris dealer.
Oh, that's right.
It's right down by this guy Brandon's that we're going.
Yeah, I definitely do want to replace that flag because that's, I mean, it has nothing to do with me. I wish I could find a Panda flag. That would be awesome.
They may have one.
They may. So we came here to Libertos to do lunch before we go and pick up the controller. Some Mexican food. Fresh Mexican. I said that sounds dirty. You fresh Mexican, you. Holy cow! Look at those.
I know.
Yeah. Wait, where's the enchiladas?
Underneath.
They are?
Yeah, under here.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay then. I'm glad I didn't get 2 enchiladas. Those are small. Those are awesome. That's huge. So it's a burrito and enchilada. And we got the 2 drinks. What's that concoction you got there?
Nuclear hot sauce.
What? No. I'm good.
Like hot sauce.
So we've made it back and I've changed clothes. I did get the brake controller and that was the last thing. Now all we need to do is paint this and we're getting it prepped and everything. Yay! I didn't find the Rhino, but I did get a porch paint that has a non-slip on it. Plus it was cheaper, it's like 40 bucks. Where the Rhino liner was $90 just for 1 gallon. So I decided to just do this. I can always do the Rhino liner later if I decide I don't like this stuff. You got your paint suit on?
Yeah. We'll say that.
You got your bibs. Your bibs.
Got my coveralls on.
Yeah. So
look like a real Okie.
Gotta take all the posters and stuff off. Alright, we are getting the first coat on. I'm having to get these corners too.
Both sides. Be totally out of the way.
Looks all nice and white. Alright. Oh, we didn't even have to use that second one. This one here. I'll put this.
It's going to be for the floor.
Well, no, we have a
one
special
the
roller
floor.
for the floor.
Yeah, we have a special roller for
The floor has to have a 1/4-inch nap roller.
Oh, that's what makes it all bumpy.
Yeah.
Ah,
So I'll just put that back in there, and if I ever decide to put like a second coat on, I think this one coat's going to be just fine. It's just so things don't get messed up. One coat, one coat.
one coat? What? How many coats?
Oh no.
It looks good. It's looking really good.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it's amazing how it's brightened it up automatically.
Yeah, it's definitely much brighter in here.
See how this one got cut on the top?
Oh yeah.
Gotta do
So I'm
that.
gonna cut that one. Okay. So I did the trim, and he's doing a light second coat. Light second coat. We were able to get 2 coats on everything besides the back wall there. I think it'll be fine though. And last thing to do is do the floor, which we're gonna do in a dark gray. Do I have plumber's crack? No?
No,
Okay,
no
okay.
plumber's crack.
Shit, man, mine's covered up.
We said no cursing.
It's all good.
Oh, poop! Mine's covered up.
So we're putting the first coat on the floor now. And I'm just trimming everything out. Trimmity trim trim. God, this stuff is...
Looks like it paints on nice and thick in one
yeah,
coat.
it's really, really thick.
So why do you go all the way up on the?
So it's
because
waterproof.
because there was they put like a putty there or a caulking, so I wanted to cover the caulking.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure it's Dicor.
yeah, I think so.
Cool.
And then by going up on the sides, it just makes it so that it's easier to
Yeah.
keep it waterproof.
Yeah.
Because this is deck paint.
All right.
Yeah, it's so thick.
It is really thick. Look at that. It's like.
It's like a steel.
It looks like pudding.
Looks like a
I
steel.
wonder if it tastes like pudding. Oh, I guess I gotta paint around these things too.
Yeah. Paint around the dealy bob.
Dilly bobs.
Aja, you did a good job on your door.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, Terry didn't clean up anything.
No, I didn't clean anything up.
Asians are known for math and stuff like that, not painting well. Clean my paint mess.
I know. Now I gotta come back and do this area
Yes, I
here.
know. I could have used painter's tape. But
That's right. Next time you go to paint, you tell me and I'll tape it off for you.
Okay.
This is garage.
Well, you're part Asian too.
It's
I
a
know.
garage.
We're not known for our painting ability.
That's right. Just our cleaning.
When you paint a garage, you don't mask anything.
Yeah, cleanings, nails, math, technology,
Killer food.
killer food, yes. Painting, not so much.
High IQ.
Oh, I guess unless we're painting nails.
That's right.
Fashion, don't forget fashion.
Oh yeah, passion.
No, and fashion.
Oh, and fashion. We can be passionate too, but yes, fashion. Well, we just have a little bit more sun left. I've got it all trimmed out, and Ed is doing the first coat. It's pretty thick, so it's going on pretty easy. Nice. It's looking so nice. Awesome. Everything looks good. Alright, so he's putting a really thick first coat on, so we don't have to worry about a second coat, and this stuff is pretty thick. So, yeah, all we need is some music. And I got a dance floor! Dance floor. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not as fun without the music. Okay. The inside is complete. We're just getting this, or Ed is just getting this last bit, and then after he's done, I'm going to trim this out. The edging and stuff.
Paint it and flip it back over.
Scott, throw me the
Oh, I
paper
guess you're
towels,
right.
please.
Yeah. All right, hold this.
Wait, they're in your arms.
Oh, never mind.
All right, Aj, we gotta.
So Deborah is cleaning my messy paint
Because
job.
Aja didn't care, but we do.
Well, thank you.
Okay, gotta pour a little bit more on here.
We just have the
All right, Scotty, I need that
Backboard.
brush.
Almost
do here.
done.
almost
I don't know
done.
whose paper
Oh, yeah.
towels he's
My
on.
God.
He's enough,
So
but-
I got paint wounds.
I need to brush this back
No bandit.
into the can. Yeah. All right, Aj, you want to grab me the lid?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you hung the paint up?
Yep.
All right, so everything is done.
All right.
We're just gonna give it 30 minutes before we close it up, because we gotta fold the hinge up and everything. And then I'm going to put a second coat on it tomorrow, right? We'll do a second coat, yeah.
Yep.
So, yeah, it looks amazing. Awesome.
Not anywhere.
Oh, he's coming for you, Moo-moo. He's coming for you. He's gonna get you in your pink jacket. Get her. Get her. Get her,
Away from
Bandit.
the paint. Come on, Moo-moo, away from the
Moo-moo, go. Alright, it's the next morning and we've just put the second coat on, so that has to dry. We're gonna work on the hitch bar because we gotta get the ball on that, and also the braking system. Are you sunbathing, Moo-moo? Yes. You hungry? You want a treat? You hungry? 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 No? Yes? No reaction at all? Aha! You're following me, aren't you? You want a chew toy. You want a chew toy. Mm-hmm. Yes, you do. Okay. I'll get you a chew toy. Alright, here's my box of goodies. And there's the brake controller. I don't think I ever showed it to you. That's it. And that is the wiring harness for my vehicle. So Ed is tightening up the bolt with the huge crescent wrench. Doesn't look complicated.
Nope. Okay.
One big bolt.
Tight, tight.
So you have to turn it sideways to tighten it up, and then.
Well, it's easier than going down on the bottom.
Right.
All right, so do you have that locking pin?
Yep, I'll go get it now.
Because it allows you to hook up directly from your Ford.
Into the controller, right?
Yep. Yep, that's...
We've taken the doghouse off so we can locate the plug, because it's plug and play, but you have to locate where it actually is, and that's the complication we're having right now. Oh my god, that's so hard to get off.
There it is. Hey, there it is.
Got it.
Here's our plug.
Found the plug for the brake controller. Awesome.
Then.
So we just have to
Feed
it down.
Through here.
So that's not as complicated. Good.
Nope.
I love the internet. That's how we found out where it was.
Okay. So now,
Okay.
let's go down and come outside of...
Yeah, because it's got to stay outside of the
Yep.
the
So we want it
box.
to go outside, so we're going to go down behind this big wire loop right here,
Okay.
and then come out behind this. So here, we'll take
Do you
this.
think we should put the brake controller up here?
No, I would have it down out of your way.
Okay. We've got the doghouse back on, and also the little tray here. And we ran the wires over here.
We're going to run screws in on each side. Right there. Let's double check.
And we hold that.
I'm going to double check the instructions that is where we put the screws in, which I'm 99.999% sure that is.
Into the side mode.
We want to be 100%.
Alright, this is all about the operation.
Oh, you're using this mount here instead of the other one because you can,
With the other one,
you can't pivot.
Right, you can't pivot.
Yeah, and this one you can pivot it, so.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah, that fucker needs to go because of that.
Here, I'll hold it. Got it?
Yeah, much better. Thank you, David. I think it's bothered me. What seems to be the problem here?
No problem
No
at all.
problem.
We got it.
Okay.
Yeah, it was locating the harness, and the harness was behind this thing.
Okay, I'm going to have to come in all the way
Okay.
around the...
All right. Well, let me just get out of the seat.
See, like, they recommend that you actually bring it all the way down to here
Uh-huh.
and mount another screw, but we want to be able to have it up at, like, where you can see it better.
Right. And he did the rest of the tightening with the screwdriver.
And see, this
so
is
he
how
didn't
you-
strip it out.
This is how you adjust.
The brakes.
That's how you activate them independently.
Oh, okay.
See,
Well,
and then this is the...
Well, we have no trailer hooked
this is
in
probably
right
the
now.
power amount.
Okay.
So we'll have, actually, you know, we're going to need to actually read the instructions.
Okay, sure.
Which, let's go ahead and get all of those out now.
It's got instructions?
There it is.
That might be helpful. There might be a little
Okay,
tip.
so we are not
Helpful
going to need
hints
this,
and tips on using your brake controller.
and we are not going to need that. but I would go ahead and do whatever you're going to do with them.
Okay. You can come back more.
Actually, it probably might not be all heavy. Yeah, it's a couple 100 pounds.
A little bit more. Good job.
Just a little bit.
Forward, yeah.
It's very hard to get it to move just a little
I
bit.
know. Okay, good. Alright, let's see how this thing does. We're just gonna relocate the trailer so I can hook up to it. This thing is really handy. Use it for all sorts of things. Moo-moo, come here. Get out of the way. Come on. Come here.
Very sharp.
That looks like where you going in that thing? One in? Come on.
She's like, go, Bella. Inside.
Come on. Up.
Come on, up. Go.
Come on. That's it.
Take her. Hey, you can go down this road here. It's a nice smooth road right down there.
I'm just gonna go like right where that guy wants to turn around.
Just go. Bye, Bella. Okay, there's the backup camera, and he's getting it. I backed up. It's awesome having the backup camera. It makes it so much easier. Nice. As I can see how it works when I turn, so I don't jackknife the trailer. Took it out of reverse, but luckily I have this button installed so that way I can still see what's going on in the back. Seems like they're getting it all hooked up now. I'm gonna go back there. Alright, so this is it, all connected. I'm not too long. So we did cross the chains, so if that was ever to pop off, that would be a cradle and it would catch the hitch. I turned the lights on and they're working. Okay, yep, that one's working. Yep, that one's working.
Here's the brakes.
Brakes.
Yep, good. They're working great.
Lights off. Lights on.
Yeah, lights on, lights off. Okay, good. Awesome. So we just did a brake test and everything is working. We just have to set this.
Very sensitive.
Yeah, so it says to set it at 6. We had to press the
1.5,
manual
8
button. And then now we're setting it to 6. Oops. Yeah, it seems very sensitive. Okay, there we go, 6. My goodness, what a process this has been. A lot has gotten done. We have painted the inside of the trailer, as you saw, and also the brake system is on and working. So the only thing to do is to take it for a test spin and also load up the ATV. So anyways, I'll show the test drive in the next video. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love you guys out there. Bye for now. Mwah.